Imagine this, a simple white powder, sitting quietly on your kitchen shelf, waiting to be sprinkled into a batch of cookies or mixed into your favorite pancake recipe. It's humble and unassuming, but what if I told you this powder had magical properties far beyond baking? Yes, we're talking about baking soda. Over the past year, conversations about this wonder ingredient have skyrocketed by nearly 13%. And for good reason. Baking soda, scientifically known as sodium bicarbonate, is being celebrated not just for culinary feats, but for its incredible health benefits. In today's journey, we're uncovering 11 amazing ways that baking soda can transform your health when used daily. But, as with all remedies, consult with your healthcare provider before adding it to your routine. Let's begin this exciting exploration. 1. Acid reflux, a simple fix to a stubborn problem. Picture this. You just enjoyed a delicious meal, but now you feel that all too familiar burning in your chest. It's uncomfortable and frustrating, and you know it all too well, acid reflux. Enter baking soda, the ultimate neutralizer. When mixed with water, it works like a gentle extinguisher, calming the acid fire in your stomach. You see, sodium bicarbonate is a base, meaning its pH is much higher than your stomach's acidic environment. When the two collide, something fascinating happens. Baking soda neutralizes the acid, creating water, salt, and carbon dioxide. It's a temporary but effective relief. Mix half a teaspoon in water. Sip, and let the relief wash over you. But, here's a word of caution. A study once documented a man who relied on this trick too often. And it altered his body's delicate bicarbonate balance. So, moderation is key. 2. The detox bath, more than just relaxation. Imagine stepping into a warm, soothing bath after a long day, knowing that it's not just a comfort for your muscles, it's detoxifying your body. A baking soda bath is believed to help your skin eliminate toxins and balance your pH levels. Though your body naturally regulates its pH, adding this alkaline agent to your bath may support the detoxification process. It's said to calm skin irritations, rashes, and itching. And what's even better, it's so simple. Just add half a cup of baking soda to your bath water. Sit back and soak in the benefits. 3. Smile brighter with baking soda's secret power. Close your eyes and picture yourself in front of the mirror. Your teeth gleam with brightness, and your smile feels healthy. Baking soda is your ally here. It combats the acidity that erodes tooth enamel, protects against cavities, and even helps whiten teeth. Its mild abrasiveness polishes away stains without damaging enamel. Best of all, it's something you can easily incorporate into your daily oral routine, whether as a paste for brushing or a mouthwash. Research shows that even one use of baking soda toothpaste significantly reduces plaque. So, brush on and let your smile shine. 4. Smooth, glowing skin. Courtesy of baking soda. Picture this, a fresh, glowing complexion that feels soft to the touch. That's what baking soda can help you achieve, naturally. Its alkaline nature balances your skin's pH, while its mild exfoliation removes dead skin cells, leaving your face smoother. Baking soda can even calm acne and sunburn thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. But remember, use it gently. Too much can dry out your skin or irritate it. For those with sensitive skin, mix baking soda with water to create a soothing face mask that hydrates and refreshes. 5. Fight fungus, a natural antifungal superhero. Imagine the relief of treating fungal infections without harsh chemicals. Baking soda's antifungal properties make it a hero for common issues like athlete's foot or nail infections. By creating a hostile environment for fungi, baking soda disrupts their cell structure. All you need to do is mix it with water to form a paste or soak your feet in a baking soda solution. One study found it inhibited 80% of fungal strains, impressive for such a simple solution. 6. Relieve UTIs with this simple remedy. For anyone who's suffered through a UTI, the discomfort is unforgettable: burning, urgency, pain, but baking soda might offer some relief. By neutralizing the acidity in urine, it can ease the burning sensation that comes with urinary tract infections. A study of 33 women showed that drinking a baking soda solution significantly reduced urinary problems. Mix it with water, drink it twice a day, and feel the relief. 7. Canker sores be gone. Do you ever get those small but painful mouth ulcers? Canker sores make eating and talking a challenge. But with a simple baking soda rinse, you can speed up the healing process. The alkaline nature of baking soda neutralizes acids in your mouth, soothing irritation. Rinse daily, and soon those pesky sores will be history. 8. Boost your workout. The athlete's secret weapon. Athletes are always looking for an edge. What if I told you that baking soda can help you push past your limits? When you exercise intensely, your muscles produce lactic acid, which leads to fatigue. Baking soda acts as a buffer, delaying this process and improving performance. Studies show that athletes who consumed baking soda before exercise had up to a 3% improvement in endurance. Just imagine, that extra boost could be the difference between winning and losing. 9. Support kidney health with baking soda. Our kidneys work tirelessly to filter our blood and maintain balance. But when kidney function declines, metabolic acidosis can set in, making things worse. Baking soda, by neutralizing acids, may help reduce the kidney's burden. A 28-week study on kidney disease patients found that those who took baking soda saw a significant improvement in kidney function. It's a small but powerful way to support your body's hardest working organs. 10. Natural deodorant, because you deserve freshness. Tired of chemical-laden deodorants? Baking soda is your answer. Its alkaline nature neutralizes the acidic compounds that cause body odor, keeping you fresh throughout the day. Combine it with essential oils or coconut oil for a natural, homemade deodorant that's as effective as store-bought brands. Finally, the most intriguing benefit, weight management. While baking soda alone won't melt fat away, it can help in subtle ways. It acts as an antacid, reducing stomach acidity and creating a feeling of fullness. By supporting better metabolic health, it may just be the gentle nudge your body needs on your weight loss journey. So there you have it, 11 life-changing health benefits of baking soda. From your teeth to your skin, and kidneys to workouts, this humble powder is a powerhouse in disguise. Remember to use it responsibly, and always consult a healthcare professional before making changes to your health routine. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more health tips and secrets. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious.